healthy is your enterprise. Good morning, my name is Crystal Chibu and I hope you're having an amazing time. This morning, the tip I'll be sharing is on your enterprise and your health. A lot of people think that their health will be doing badly and their businesses will be thriving at the same time. If your health is really bad, it's going to affect your business. So it's important that you take care of your health so that your enterprise can be healthy. What am I trying to say? Remember, in the previous videos that I shared, I told you that your business and you are intertwined. So it's critical for you to make sure you take care of your health so you're in good shape, and as a result of that, you can translate that same healthy personality to your business. I hope this tip has really helped you, and I hope you're going to do something about your health. I hope to see you same time tomorrow. Remember to drop your comments in the box below or DM me, and also share this wealth of knowledge with as many people as you can share with. Just click the share button, and that way other people can get access to what I'm sharing with you. See you tomorrow. Do have a lovely day. Bye.